guys, it's Emily here today, and I'm going to be doing a video on my room, so sort of like a tour. So when we walk in from the door, we have my bags and my cozy dish chair from Kohl's with a bunch of blankets on it. Then we have my medals from soccer. I play on the club Legacy, if you guys were wondering. There's this cute mirror from Ross and a nightstand which I keep all my necessary stuff on, like lotions and moisturizers and lip balms. Then here is my very high bed, which is very colorful and cozy, with my blinds right next to it. And there's my soccer team. Then I have my bookshelf and my ginormous life-size unicorn stuffy. On top there are these cute decorations. And yes, I've been too lazy to take off these princess stickers that I put on a couple to 5 years ago. So let's just be real, guys. Laziness, hashtag. Then here is my dresser that I fill with all my clothes. And there's this tree jewelry holder that you can make yourself. I got this DIY kit from Michaels. And then I have this hanger where I put all of my bags and scarves and hats on. And here is my laundry hamper and my donation pile. Next is my favorite part, my desk. So it's a classic white desk with a rolly chair. And this is where I do all of my filming, well, most of it. And I've just done a video on my sister's makeup collection, and I do videos on my collection too, so be sure to check that out. Here's my lamp. I have a cute little mirror from Ross and this big light from Walmart. I also have a paper organizer from Sam's or Costco. You can get them either way. And then my alarm clock. Yes, it's 12:28 p.m. And then here is my cute little tree from Christmas. But I just think it gives me those happiness vibes. So I just love it. And then here is my built-in closet. And my little organizer from the dollar store. And yeah, that'll be it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.